Today we are going to study multiplying harder decimals and dividing decimals. Now here we are going to say multiplication of decimals by whole number is similar to multiplying whole numbers by whole numbers. Now let's solve for this one an example. Our example is this one, 12.43 multiplied by 5. Now as you see here we have decimal point. Okay, 12.43 is a decimal number, 5 is a whole number. How we are going to multiply this one? Now we are going to multiply them as a whole number. That's why 1243 I am going to write, and I am going to multiply it by 5. Now let's follow the multiplication. 5 multiplied 3, 15. 5 is here, 1 we have here. 5 multiplied 4 is 20, plus 1, 21. We have 2 now. Okay, 5 multiplied 2 is 10. We have 2, it will be 12. We have 1. 5 multiplied 1 is 5, plus 1, it will be 6. Now it's 6,255. But remember, it was decimal. Now after the decimal point we have 2 place. Now that's why we need to go back 1, 2, and we should put here the decimal point. Now the result of this multiplication is 62.50. Okay, now this is how we are multiplying harder decimals by whole numbers. Now we can follow for the others, for other multiplication with whole numbers, with decimals, the same way, the same method. Now let's go dividing decimals. Now what is the dividing decimals? Division of decimals by whole number is similar to dividing whole numbers by whole numbers. Now it's same. Yani we are not going to change our rule. We are going to apply the same rule also for the division. Now let's go and let's start division. Okay. Let's say division of decimals. Now we are going to follow the same rule. Let's say we are going to 5. We have 5.4 and it's divided by 4. Now what we are going to do? Here we are going to do division. 5.4 divided by 4. Now how many 4 we have in 5? We are going to check this one. Now we have 1 times. Okay, 1 multiplied 4, it's 4. Let's do subtraction. What left here? Now here left 1. Now what we are going to do? We are going to bring down the 4. But here, do you see? Now when we cross to the decimal point, we are going to put here also a decimal point. Now with 4 we brought 4 down. It means we crossed the decimal point. Then we are going to put here 1 decimal point. Now how many 4 we have in 14? It will be 3. 3 multiplied 4 is 12. Do subtraction, there is 2. What we are going to do here, we are going to put 1, 0, as you know. Okay, how many 4 we have in 20? We have 5 times. Okay, 5 multiplied 4 is 20. Do subtraction, 0, 0 left. Now this is how we did this division. Now we can solve with this one other exercises, other questions. Okay, now with this one today we finished our lesson. Now let's see what is the homework. Homework is page 188 and 189, exercises 10G, and there is a second homework related with the division, page 189, exercises 10H. For today, we finish our lesson. See you next lesson.